which one is the most reactive towards SN1 reaction? Students, for this question, we need to know that the compound which forms the most stable carbocation will be most reactive towards SN1 reaction. So we have to identify that among the given compounds, which compound will form the most stable carbocation. Student, the carbocation formed in option number 2 will be most stable. Here it is C6H5, CH, CH3. This carbocation will be most stable. As a result, the compound given in option number 2 will be most reactive towards SN1 reaction. So the correct answer is option number 2. Moving to next question, which is 67. Let's read the question. The correct order of nucleophilicity of given species in polar protic solvent is. Student, for this question we need to know that in polar protic solvent the anions are hydrated. As a result, the order of nucleophilicity becomes is I minus, Br minus, Cl minus, and least is of F minus, because smaller anion is highly hydrated. That means the nucleophilicity of iodide ion will be maximum. So the correct order is represented in option number 1. Going to next question. Which of the following biphenyl is optically active? Students, we are given with 4 compounds, 4 biphenyl rings, and we have to answer that which is optically active. Students, for this question we need to know the compounds which do not contain plane of symmetry is optically active. So it is very clear that option number 4 will be optically active since there is no plane of symmetry. That means the correct answer is option number 4. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 69. The major product of the following reaction is. Students, in this question we are given with a reaction and we have to identify the major product. So student, let's start the reaction. CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. Here I'm adding Br2 in the presence of light 125 degrees Celsius. Student, this is the method for bromination of alkane, and the mechanism is free radical mechanism, and the attack is preferred on 3 degree over 2 degree and 1 degree. And if we talk about 2 degree and 1 degree, the attack is preferred over 2 degree carbon. So student, two products are formed, CH3, C, Br, CH3. This is the major product, and the other is CH3, CH, CH2Br, CH3. This will be the minor one. That means the major product formed is this. So the correct answer is option 3. Moving to next question, students, which is question number 70. Let's read the question. Which among the following undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction most easily? So student, for this question we need to know that the electron withdrawing group present at the para position of halobenzene facilitates nucleophilic substitution reaction. So among the given options, so in option number 3, NO2 group, which is an electron withdrawing group, is attached on the para position of haloarine. That means para nitro bromobenzene will be most reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction. So the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to next question, students, which is 71.